especially in business. Like everybody's like, oh, here's what I do. And people try to act like they know. There's a billion ways to scale a business. To draw it back to our conversation about how we convince ourselves what truth is. And we have this belief, and therefore like this is true. And we do it in so many situations. What I tend to find is, this is going to sound like I'm in the damn Matrix or something, but there is no truth. There is no right answer. Everything is on a spectrum of a probability. It's like you said, we've all gone through so many green lights in our life. Yes. But we've also probably all ran a red light by accident or blown a stop sign. And we've also either been hit or almost been hit by somebody that ran one. I oftentimes talk to my kids, and when they're in the car with me, I always point out bad drivers. And I'm like, there are rules to how you drive. And part of being a good driver is about following those rules, because we're all trying to like navigate these circumstances together. Yeah. And the more we all kind of are on the same page, it makes it easier to navigate together. But there's a lot of freaking idiots out there. Yes. And the number one
texting or whatever. Yeah.
Yeah. The number one thing you need to be doing is watching out for all the other idiots. Like, yeah, it's fine if you're a good driver, but that doesn't protect you that much if you're inattentive to what's happening around you.
100%.
And if you're not following your intuition, like you can't just blindly trust that everybody's going to do what a normal person would do. I remember I almost rear-ended somebody one time. They were going to turn right on a red light, and I saw them going. And so I looked left because they were clearly going. I looked left and the coast was clear, and I started to hit my gas pedal and I turned back and they had come to a complete stop, and I almost rear-ended them. Then I honked the horn at them because I was like, you effing idiot, go. Like you can turn on a red light. Yeah. But it's like, I mean, I had to be an inch away from hitting them, but it's like, you can't just assume that that person's going to do the thing that you would have done or that a rational person would have done, because it's irrational. They probably got a text message and stopped the car to look at their phone or something stupid, right? Mm-hmm. Like, you don't know. And so there is no right answer, especially in business. Like everybody's like, oh, here's what I do. And people try to act like they know. There's a billion ways to scale a business, right? There is no right answer to what Elvin said earlier. Like, it's about the conviction of feeling like you are on the path that's best for you and having 100%. The confidence to work your ass off at it, and you will make it be true. That doesn't 100%. Mean it's the right answer, because there is really no right answer. It's just like doing the best you can, working hard at it, and following your intuition. Hey, home service heroes, thank you guys so much for tuning into our home service happy hour content today. I sure hope you learned a little something, and I sure as heck hope that it was entertaining. If you did find it fun and entertaining, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more cool, fun, entertaining business content. And speaking of which, stay tuned. There's a little more here and a little more right here. Check it out.